Hello folks, what we're going to be doing today is making butter. This would be something neat you could show your kids how to do, let them learn where butter comes from. Let's get started. All you need is a pint of heavy whipping cream, and you can use a jar, stand mixer, hand mixer. It'd be probably the easiest to use a stand mixer. If you have several kids and you want to, a jar, as long as it's got a good sealing lid on there, just be shaking it. But like I said, this here is probably the easiest way here. Put it in a stand mixer, because it is a little time consuming. It can take up 10 minutes for it to churn up. Now we've got the video speeded up, so it looks like it's going faster than it is. We're starting off on low speed, and then you'll see here in just a minute the milk goes a little bit higher on the side. We turned it up to medium speed. You can see in there, it's starting to thicken up some in there. We're getting close. It's getting close. You can see it's a-changing. And then as it starts to turn to butter, you'll see here shortly. See how it's starting to get thicker? And then you'll see it here in just a minute. Alrighty, there we go. We've got the butter. It's stuck to it there now, the paddle. And you can see the buttermilk down in the bowl. Alright, we're just going to get all that there off. And then you'll have you some cold water, ice water. And we want to try to get all... Yeah, you can see I made a mess there a little bit ago. Alright, we'll try to drain off the milk. Boy, sieve would be handy right now. Strainer. Let's get one. Where's it at? There it is. Alrighty. What we'll do, after we've drained it off here, you take cold water and you keep putting in there, and you want to try to get all the buttermilk as you can out of it. The water will turn clear, and the cold ice water just helps it all stay together, keeps the butter hard there. Alrighty, just keep pressing that there around the water, and then we'll drain it off again and pour in some more ice water. But now our son Daniel, he thought it'd be a good idea for us to show. Most people probably know how to do this here, but a lot of the kids has never seen it. There's some people I'd say has never seen it also. But this is just a good little learning thing. I can remember years ago in elementary school, the teacher had us, now there were so many kids in the class at that time that she just put it in a jar and passed the jar around. Each kid got to shake the jar, and then in a little bit we had butter. But yeah, just all you gotta do is just pour in your cold water, and then just keep getting all the buttermilk out of it there. The buttermilk will let it go bad quicker. Now this next step here is optional. You can add salt or leave it plain. It's up to you. And then if you do want to add salt, just add salt to the taste or what you like, and it's all on you folks, whether you want salt or not. Alrighty, now we're just scooping it, putting it down into a bowl. You want to have a lid for it. Just keep it in the refrigerator like you do your regular butter. Well, this is regular butter. Carolyn's been cooking with it all week. I can remember my grandma, she used to have some butter molds. Had little designs on it and everything. She'd get her little, just press it down in there and then you could pop it out. And there you have it, folks. You've got butter. I think Dan may have some bloopers here. Still stay tuned. Yeah, there was buttermilk. It flew all over the place, folks. It got all over the countertop camera. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And if you think friends may like them, let them know about us. You all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching.